snow. You can hear the snow crack beneath your feet. That's the best snow. Also, yes, I know about the beard. So I haven't shaven. I know, okay? I know. And not much here, but it looks nice, eh? I actually really want to fly my drone. I wonder if it's okay with this snow. Let's see if this works, eh? Okay, so drone didn't crash, so that's good news. It is getting cold, so yeah, that's snow day today. But you know, anyways, if you like me doing this, why don't you subscribe to the channel or leave a like or a comment or tips? I need a lot of tips. And lenses, I'm looking for a good lens. Anyways, you got anything to say about this video? Except for instance that this picture is a bit dark? Let me know. Just leave a link, comment down below and I'll get back to you. Right, thanks for joining me in today's snow day.